Today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic, a clinic that is open here in St. Louis and treats ED with one of the most effective treatments in the country. Joining me is Andrew Reinhardt from Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Absolutely, and this technology that we're talking about today really is the latest breakthrough for men who struggle with ED. Tell us all about it.
That's right. Men are pretty used to, when it comes to ED, going to the pill or injections, and I am yet to meet a man that enjoys that for erectile dysfunction. This technology is a major medical advancement. Pineview Medical Clinic uses acoustic wave therapy. Now, here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels. That causes those blood vessels to open up and expand. That's exactly what a man with erectile dysfunction needs, more circulation. We have helped so many men and couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction, turn back the clock in the bedroom, and get rid of those pills in the meantime.
And Andrew, this shockwave therapy is needle-free, surgery-free, and drug-free.
That's exactly right. None of which anybody wants to go through. This is just pressure waves. It's not invasive. It doesn't involve needles or pills. And if you think about it, needles and pills, that treats the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Nobody for 30 years has ever gone and tried to treat the root cause of the problem. Well, that's what this technology does. It's sweeping the country, and it's helping so many men and couples.
And this procedure is actually backed by so many studies and publications. What are some of those studies?
That's right. We have posted about 50 clinical studies at our website, pineviewmedicalclinic.com. This is backed by Cambridge University, the Cleveland Clinic, and so many others. They have vetted this on men with even severe erectile dysfunction and showed a very high success rate. So if you're out there watching and maybe your ED is mild or moderate, maybe it's severe, we have likely helped somebody just like you, and the science is certainly sound.
And Andrew, no matter what level of severity that ED is, it's actually a pretty serious medical condition, but there's hope, right? Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available.
The big difference here is that pills and injections are a Band-Aid. They don't fix the problem. So men become a prisoner to taking that pill for the rest of their time, the rest of their life. Our treatments go to the root cause, which is damaged blood vessels. That's one of the leading causes of ED, damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow. So it's a physical problem, and it needs a physical solution, which is exactly what our technology does.
And this technology, like you said, really does treat the root cause of ED, not just the symptoms. No pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That's pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how the technology actually works.
If you think about what we do to a muscle in the gym, we regrow those blood vessels, those muscles, I should say. We build them up stronger. That's what our technology does to the blood vessels. Now, you're not going to feel it. It's not invasive or painful. You can get a treatment done on your lunch break, but it's called neovascularization, the regrowth of blood vessels, and it's done in a targeted manner. So the blood flows in the bedroom where you want it, when you want it.
And is there any recovery time from this procedure, Andrew?
Zero recovery time, zero side effects, no pain. You'll walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal.
Well, it sounds like a win in my book. Do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We have significant value today. If you're ready to put a stop to your ED and throw those pills away, get your phone and call that number on your screen. If you do it before this segment ends, you'll qualify for the exam, assessment, and blood flow ultrasound at no charge, plus a gift. I think you're going to love this, guys. It produces immediate results in the bedroom. It's worth hundreds of dollars free to those that call that number on your screen right now.
Awesome. Well, Andrew, thank you so much for sharing in what y'all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic. We'll make sure that you, our viewer at home, has all of the information to Pineview on our website at studiostl.tv.